This is the 1000. That's crazy, yo. Wheel reveal. Oh my God.
Rich Rodriguez back in West Virginia, brother. I know you and I are part of the conversation, and obviously we've kept
Dude, these are crazy traffic gray with gold wheels. This is the 1000M wheels.
Really good. I actually talked to Rod today. He got a couple.
Alright, y'all, so basically you want to jack up the car. Right now I don't have my quick jack. We're just gonna use this one. It's really good, actually. It like covers the whole jack point. But now the wheel is like free spinning. I have a spacer on, so I already broke the lug nuts. I'm just gonna take the spacer off, test fit it without the spacer, and then try test fitting it with the spacer. But the new tire is around like a 9.5, so hopefully I don't have to run the spacer at all.
Speaks for itself, I guess. DQ, happy tastes good.
Is it hitting
Texas was waiting.
Alright, it's not hitting the coilover.
Now Texas is a TurboTax expert who can do your taxes in a day. So you
want to hand tighten it first with the socket?
Into your TurboTax.
Sounds like you need to vaporize that cold. Or vapor cool? It's vapor, plus the brush with mixed vapors.
To avoid digital threats, just turn on NordVPN. Protection against trackers, malicious websites, and malware-ridden downloads. Get the deal.
Alright, slowly but surely. Oh my God, that is Fitment, yo. Stuff in the thing. That's crazy, yo. That is crazy. Hold on. I gotta take this off and show y'all. God. Look at that. That's Fitment right there, yo. What? Damn. With the polished lip? That's OEM. Oh yeah. Upgrade. Yeah, but these are gonna be for sale, yo. So if anyone in the comments is local in Florida, please let me know. I'm willing to like bring these out and then just cash me out on them with tires.
Yeah, I can see a reason you would stay with me. Maybe it's for the better when I'm meant to be.
as you just saw by those clips, make sure you go like, comment, subscribe. I know it's a little windy right now, but your boy's 21 now. This is where the build is at this moment. And then yeah, I just wanted to show you guys like a little ASMR, exhaust clips, intake clips, burnout clips. I know some of y'all was asking for a burnout video, and then you finally got it. But yeah, these tires have too much tread, so I was actually happy that I kind of burned it off a little bit. Took a pretty good chunk out of the tires with these. Yeah, buddy. All the way through. So if y'all are still sleeping on the G20, wake up, like stop sleeping on these. The car is on the E30 map right now. It's getting a little warmer, so we're gonna flash E85 soon, because those cold starts be horrible.